Yeah, good morning team guys. Well done to those who played yesterday purple. We tried to get something. Okay, so guys, remember I have to remind you about the books. This is the second one, this one, so don't get confused. Normally when I write my books, we do collaborate with Coach Puma, so you see it's written Lotto Analyst and the Coach Puma, and then the first one is this one, the ones which you have to know about the blue codes and stuff. It's this one on top. So you see these are two different books. So yeah, if you need the book, you know exactly where to contact me. I always leave my contact details in the video every time when I do a content. Okay, cool. So let me just remove this so it won't these are the books. Remember, these books, they are in PDF form. You can always purchase it from wherever you are. You don't need to get it as a hard copy. If you want to get it as a hard copy, you just have to print it out because it's a PDF. Okay, so, and I do have a WhatsApp group. Let me send my WhatsApp number, WhatsApp line. This one is only for WhatsApp, not calls. So today our date is 31. We're going to continue with the lottery number manipulation, and the boys code of today is 18, guys. Okay, so what are we going to do? I'm going to show you this. You remember, if you see here, we got a code. I'll show you what to do with the code after when we're done with it, manipulating our numbers there. So you must always know that Uk49 has got 7 numbers out of 49. So it's 7 numbers out of 49. Then we're going to use this base code number to subtract and add. So we're going to say 1 minus 18, we get a 19. 1 plus 18, sorry, this was supposed, let me say plus here, then minus here, it's a 17. Okay, then I'll show you what you're going to do after that. And then we say 18 plus 2, 2 plus 18 is equal to a 20. 2 minus 18 is equal to a 16. 3 plus 18 is a what? Is a 21. So do you see how these numbers are rotating these days? They're just rotating in one cycle, like that. So if you check here, guys, like as for today, it's who's coming, Helen. She can hit up this 19 again as a repeat, because I see it there. She can hit up this 20 today as a repeat, but then with the 20, because it played, she's going to say 20 divided by 2 to get a 10. So all these numbers, they come from here. If you check there is 16. Yesterday I said you guys play what was it, with this 16, they will just divide it by 2 and give us an 8, because a lot of people are expecting 32. She will multiply. Let me do this. She can say 16 divided by 2, it will give us an 8, or 16 times 2, it will give us a what? A 32. So this is how these numbers, they go according to Uk49. And then if you go to the code at the bottom here, you see our code is, this is a 4 code. So what you do, 14 is just visible. It's a 14 or a 41, which is a 14 or 41. It's visible there. And then if you say 47 plus 1 is a 48, which is also visible. If you subtract 8, it gives us a 46, which is also what? A 49. And then inside here in the middle, guys, we do have an 8 that I've just spoken about. As you can see, we also have a what? A 28. I don't know when last did we have a 28. Did 28 drop somewhere? I'm not sure. If not, then please make sure you also play this number 28 today. And then there's a 35. There's a 6. There's an 8. There's a 19. There's a 35. So make sure that you play these numbers according to the way I presented them, so that you avoid losing. So let me do this. Let me just take 10 pairs that I'm sure of, and then I'm going to give them to you guys. Okay, I'm not going to pair. You guys, you know what you're going to do. You're going to take a pairing app, use it. Here I'm going to pick one number which I can be 4 and can be 46 or 49. Okay, those are the first numbers. And then we come here, we pick a 10, we pick a 6, 16 can come back, I still have that hope, and an 18, and then we have a 4 there. We go again. I have to also consult my code. There is 27, it's 35, it's 19, it's 14, a 14 which is a 41, and then with this 20 I'm not sure if they're going to multiply by 2 or she's going to just pick it as a 20 or a 40. So it's either 4 or 40. Remember guys, whenever you're doing these things of lotto, you also have to spin your numbers, split your numbers. That is very, very, very important in gambling. If you don't split, if you don't spin, then it's a problem. And then the banker for today should be 13. 13 should be the banker. 13 and 43, also put these numbers there. I know what I'm saying. And a 25. They are not so much. It's all about you collaborating proper with your numbers. You won't get wrong. So what else did I want to mention about this? Let me see there. I'm checking something. Okay, but we're almost at the edge of the video. So guys, the number, the base code is very important because it works on all the lotteries, but not Ghost Lotto, because Ghost Lotto has got so many draws. I mean, like draws like Uk49, Powerball, and even Mega Million. I noticed that last night, when the results came, I saw that no, there was something that also came from that. So yeah, this is what it is, guys. The rest we shall discuss after. Let me see, today is what? It's Saturday today. I'm just gonna post one video, and remember, with my videos you use them both lunch and tea time. So for example, you see this, it's a what, and then here's a 10, which is a 10 can be a 1, but you know sometimes they do that, and then a 16 that can be a 19 or 32 or an 8. That's how these numbers go. You see, and then you've got a 13 there, you've got a 25, you've got a 35, we've got an a 19 or 16, a 27 can repeat, and then 37. Don't forget, put this number on the bonus ball. 37, put 37 at the bonus ball as a number, like, which can be, so if maybe it comes like as an 8, 13, I'm quite sure this number will come, if not now, but on tea time. Thank you very much, guys. Enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe and also comment. Then the rest we shall discuss after the results. We are good to go now. Thank you very much.